All right, good morning, good afternoon. Any part of the world you might be watching this from. All right, so this is a quick video to show you how to make your withdrawals in Smart. You understand? It's very easy. The first step is you need to have a USDT BP20 account for you to be able to do your withdrawals seamlessly. So let's go. First of all, you need to have like a Bybit account. If you don't have Bybit account, please, you can just quickly watch my other video guide on how to have your Bybit account and how to operate it with Naira and USDT in terms of how to buy USDT with Naira and also how to convert USDT, to Naira. There's another video I have on that. So just in case you don't know how to do that, you can just reach out to whoever sent you this video. They will also forward that video guide to you. So let's just basically focus on how to do withdrawals. So for you to make your withdrawals, you now need to copy out your USDT address in your Bybit account. Just click on deposit. You understand? So you click on deposit right here. So with the deposit tab, you will see your USDT. So you click on deposit USDT, this place. You understand? So click on deposit USDT. Then the next thing is for you to click on the USDT. You understand? If you don't have, by default, you might not have USDT showing there. So you just click on this search box and type USDT there. So it will bring out the deposit address. So I've been using this for long, so that's why you see my USDT properly loaded there. So the next thing is for you to select BP20. This is the network, the USDT network we use for our withdrawals in Smart. So select USDT BP20. You understand? So then it will show your withdrawal address. So sometimes it might just ask you to slide this place to get your USDT account. So just slide it out. Then the next thing is for you to just copy the address. Don't try and type it out, copy it. You understand? So that you won't do mistake. Or it's either you use this, or you can use this one in particular here. So any one of it is fine. So I'm just going to click on one. So once you've copied it, just go back straight to your Smart account. Then the next thing for you to do is to just basically select withdraw. Click on this withdrawal here. So I have $10 here. I want to withdraw. So I'll just click on withdraw. You understand? So once you get to this section, very simple. Click on all. You understand? So once you click on all, to show you the value of what you want to withdraw, then you paste your USDT address you just copied from your Bybit account or any exchange. It's not compulsory on the Bybit. You can use SafePal, you can use Binance, you can use BitGet. Just go and look for the USDT BP20 account and you copy it. So I'm going to click on all. I'm going to paste the address I copied. Then you click on confirm. So once you come to this confirm section, if you have not whitelisted your account, whitelisted means if you've not added it to your list of withdrawal addresses, it might ask you for this. So here, just click on verify. Of course, you should have added your Google Authenticator while doing your registration. You understand? So once you click not verify, once you verify you are human and you've pasted, you just click on send verification. A code will be sent to your email. Copy it, paste here. Then you go to your Google Authenticator, paste it there and click on confirm. It's very simple. So let me just take the steps one after the other. So I'll just go straight right here. I'll click I'm a human being. Oh. Then I will now click on send verification code. Always do this first before you go to the Google Authenticator. So just quickly go to your email. The email you created for that you are using for your Smart, just go there. The code will have been sent there. So let me just go straight down here. Let me change this to my, okay, so here it is. So I'll just click on verification. So here's the code. You can see right here. So here's the code. So I'll just copy it. Then I'll go straight to my Smart. I'll paste it there. Then I'll come down again to Google Authenticator. I'll go to my Google Authenticator. I'll copy my code. I'll copy my code. Sorry. Alright, so I'll just copy the code there. Then I'll paste straight under the Google Authenticator side. Then I'll click on confirm. Immediately you do that, once everything is correct, you just see it shows withdrawal successful. So with this, it means that within the next one or few minutes, you understand, you also see that the money has left you see right here, the money has left this place, it's no more in my available balance. You understand? So in the next few minutes, the money is going to land in my Bybit account. So just keep refreshing your Bybit account. You will see that the funds would arrive there. Most times you can see, so that is it right here. You can see on the screenshot, it shows deposits as entered. So let me just, to be sure to confirm, just refresh once again. It will show you that the money is on the way. So let me just go to the home page and just quickly show you so that you see that yes, the money is on its way right here inside my account. So just give it some time. So this one is just confirmation from Bybit end. So the money is already on its way right here. As you can see. All right. So you can see right here, the money is here. You understand? So it's very, very simple process. Just walk through it and you won't get it wrong. God bless.